brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna smoke me a fat brisket. I got my barbecue.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. That's needless to say, you know about us, right? We're going to do our famous or infamous beer can bacon burger. It's the most popular burger on the planet. It's probably got 100 million views around the world. It's been copied many times, but this is where the beer can bacon burger originated, and we're going to do it again. But this one today, we're going to do the one called the Mexican, all right? So to make the beer can bacon burger, you want some good quality beef. You can see here. Oh yeah. So get some good quality beef. We're going to make 3 today because there's 3 of us. J-Dog's here, and Slasher's here, and of course I'm Bobby Fane. Let you know all about that. All right, this is real easy to do. It's real quick. It's got the cool factor in it, and it requires a beer can. This is where the beer can bacon burger, the beer part comes out of, right? You got to have some beer. So this is how we're going to do it. I'll get these out of the way. We're going to take a patty, and this here is probably half pound, more or less, a little bit more, right? And we're going to take, let me wipe the can first. And we're going to take our beer can, and we're going to start forming it around the beer. Now, I know a lot of you guys already know this one. You've seen it. You probably made it, right? So you start using the beer can as a jig, more or less, right? To shape it. Just keep pressing around and shape it. Told you it'd be easy to do. You just keep working it, firm it up. And you're essentially creating a bowl, right? It's going to hold things. That sounds about right, huh? So we formed it like that. It looks perfect. Now, to keep it together, here's the bacon part. So we've got ourselves some ordinary pound bacon. Although this is a real pound. This is actually 16 ounces. Not the typical packaging you see today, where they're like 12 ounces, same price, if not more, right? So we're going to take a strip of belly bacon, and we're going to wrap it. Now, the bacon is going to keep everything together, because as you know, some of you know, bacon constricts as it cooks. It gets tighter and tighter and tighter. So this is going to keep it all together, and look how pretty that looks, right? So, next part is we carefully remove the can, and voila, we got our bowl. And of course, this is the part we call pitmaster privilege, so I do apologize, but this has something to do with the recipe. And use your favorite beer. All right, formed. Now, next thing. Now, you can do this the way you want. I mean, there's different variations, but we're going to season our ground beef now with a little bit of SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. And you can find SPG at a store near you. In fact, we're in Sobeys, Canada, and all these stores. All right, we season a little bit. Now, here's the best part. Got some corn chips. We want to add a little corn flavor, because it's called the Mexican, and you got to add the corn. So I've got some corn chips here, and if I'm able to open the damn thing up, I'm going to take a little bit of the corn chip and put it in the bottom, just like that. Right? Flavor. Now let's start building this thing. Like a taco, like a burrito, let's start out with some refried beans, just a little bit on the bottom, just to flavor it out a little bit. Perfect. Now after that, got a little onion. You make these up the way you want, right? How about some green bell pepper? Ooh, yeah. Man. Oh, Jesus. Maybe a little lettuce. Why not? A little lettuce. Now we got the tomato, a little chopped tomato. I think you know where I'm going with this. Right there. How about a jalapeno or 2 or 3? You get the picture. And like I said, you set this up the way you want, whatever you got, whatever's your favorite taco, burrito idea. Here's a little bit of hot salsa going in. Get real creative right on this, man. And I'm gonna put a little cilantro. I know some of you guys, oh, I was with you till you got to the cilantro, man. It tastes like soap. Whatever. No, it tastes fantastic, right? And then we're gonna take a little bit of sour cream. Okay? Now tell me your girlfriend or your boss ain't gonna be impressed with this. Or whatever you want, man. So, and then we're gonna finish it off. Well, actually, this is Pitmaster privilege, but you can take a little hot sauce. See, you know what I'm saying? Just be creative. It'll be cool. This is pretty intense hot sauce we have here, so it'll wake anybody up. And then, last but not least, a little cheese on top. Perfect. Beautiful. Now we're ready for the grill. Let's do another one, right? Why not? We got the time. If you got the time, yeah. Beer can bacon burger, the beer part. So again, we formed it, tightened it. Now the idea is you don't want to use a thick cut bacon on this because the thicker the bacon, the longer it's going to cook. And these cook very, very quickly. In fact, if you look at the burger, how thin it is, right? This will cook real quick. And so will the bacon. So we use a thin slice of bacon rather than the thick. So they cook a little bit better.
Look at these.
All right, let's put these on the grill. All right, we're using a regular kettle. Woo, so
Why don't you put the cover on?
look at that. Get them off the board. Of course, we're loading them up indirect. We don't want to go directly over the charcoal, right? It'll burn it real quick. So we're going to use this kettle like you would a kitchen oven. Put it opposite the hot coals. So we've got some jalapenos. Look at that. These are your poppers. Pretty small jalapenos there, I see, huh? Geez,
Yeah.
I mean, those are cut in half.
Yep.
Now, of course, this is optional. You don't have to use the stuffed jalapenos. That's totally Pitmaster privilege, but it seems to us this is the perfect side. Perfect. Oh, somebody say beer can bacon burgers. You gotta check this out. Oh man, look at this. Whew. Look at the jalapeno poppers wrapped in bacon. They're done perfect. So let's get these beer can bacon burgers off. Take a look at that. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. Put it on the board. And get this one off. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Brown cheese. Oh man. Can you smell that? It smells good. Oh man. Oh man. Are you kidding? Now, how about I grab a couple poppers? Every good meal's got to have a side, so our poppers are a side. All right, let's take this to the You good?
Let me get the other. There's 2 more.
Oh, are you kidding me? Yeah. Nothing left to do now, but we're gonna have to eat this in front of you. All right. Beer can bacon burgers. You gotta check this out. This one we call the Mexican. Oh, man, you ought to smell this. It's just outrageous. So let's take a look inside, man. I know you want to take a look inside. So I don't know if you got a good focus here, but right through that cheese. Oh, how's that? Oh, stuffed! Oh, man. Smells like your favorite burrito, your taco. I'm gonna eat this in front of you. I do apologize. Absolutely amazing. One of the reasons this is the most famous burger on the planet is because there's a lot you can do with this and be very creative. You can set these up the way you want. If you just want jalapenos only, just use jalapenos only for the stuffing. Who cares, right? So, I'd say let's put together a sandwich. And this is typically what you do, right? Get a decent roll. And we'll spread a little bit of, say, a hot mayo or whatever. And I'm going to put it up here for you so you can see it. And you take one of these babies and you load it. Look at that. Is that a beautiful thing? Okay. I know you know how to do this. And of course, here's your beer can bacon burger, the Mexican burger. Now you can get even more creative. You can take one of these stuffed jalapeno peppers, right? And I'm going to take off the stem, unless you prefer the stem, and we're just going to lay it on top, just like that. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Put it on the top. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, man. So, to get the recipe, head on over to our website. Most of you guys know that. And while you're there, sign up a chapter. We've got chapters in over 100 countries now. I don't know, maybe 18,000 or something like that, they tell me. And sign up. We'd be proud to have you and join us. But I think this is the part where the pitmasters, who spent the last few hours making this, are going to eat in front of you. So stop. Hold everything. I know you're going to want to see this inside, the fully boiled beer can bacon burger all put together, but watch this. Let me see. You got to check this out. So, oh, you know that cream cheese is all over the place. Take a look at that. Lord have mercy. Martha's on the bus heading to the pit. Oh, it's gonna be good. All right, like I said, this is the part where the pit masters are eating in front of you, and we're not apologizing, man. Oh.
That's really good.
Damn. We got smoky bacon, the jalapenos,
Wow.
the diced onions, the tomatoes, the peppers, the SPG. Just add it up. Like I said, you can set these up any way you want. You can stuff them any way you want. They're freaking awesome, man. So,
I'm bringing those to my party.
Now, of course, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. Oh, I'm sorry. Is this over, man? Can we go on with this?
Barbecue Pit Boys for life.
Enough of this, man. Yeah, no. I gotta go. I gotta go eat. I'll be back.
Biscuits piled high. Gonna eat all it at the pit. Eat all it at the pit. Where's your food?